Physicswallah, Fujiyama Power, Siemens, IndiGo, Welspun Corp, ICICI Bank stocks in focus on December 9. Stocks to watch, December 9. Stocks like Physicswallah, Fujiyama Power Systems, Mahindra, Larsen and Toubro, Siemens, ICICI Bank, InterGlobe Aviation IndiGo, Welspun Corp, Dredging Corporation of India, Neochem Biosolutions, and Helloji holidays will be in focus on December 9. Quarterly earnings Physicswallah Q2 Consolidated YoY. Profit soars 69.6% to 69.7 rupees crore vs 41.1 rupees crore. Revenue grows 26.3% to 1051.2 rupees crore vs 832.2 rupees crore. Fujiyama Power Systems Q2 YoY. Profit zooms 97.4% to 62.9 rupees crore vs 31.9 rupees crore. Revenue jumps 72.6% to 567.9 rupees crore vs 329 rupees crore. Auto sales Mahindra and Mahindra November YoY. Sales volume soars 19.6% to 91,839 units vs 76,797 units. Exports increase 8.4% to 3,063 units vs 2,825 units. Production increases 18.4% to 96,196 units vs 81,239 units. Stocks to watch. Larsen and Toubro. The board of directors of the company has approved the transfer of its realty business undertaking to its subsidiary, L&T Realty Properties, through a slump sale via a scheme of arrangement, subject to requisite regulatory approvals. Siemens. The board of directors has approved the sale of its low-voltage motors and geared motors businesses, including the related customer service operations, as a going concern on a slump sale basis to Inomotics India for an enterprise value of 2,200 rupees crore, on a cash-free, debt-free basis. ICICI Bank. The bank has executed a share purchase agreement with Prudential Corporation Holdings PCHL to buy a 2% stake in ICICI Prudential AMC from PCHL for 2,140 rupees crore. InterGlobe Aviation IndiGo. Moody's said the widespread flight disruptions at IndiGo are credit negative, warning of potential revenue loss, refund outgo, and regulatory penalties after the airline failed to plan for aviation rules communicated to the industry more than a year in advance. The rating agency further said cancelled flights, refunds, and compensation to affected passengers could cause significant financial damage, with penalties from the DGCA also remaining a possibility. Welspun Corp associate company East Pipes Integrated Company for Industry Epic, a listed entity in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia KSA, has received a contract from the Saudi Water Authority for the manufacturing and supply of steel pipes, with a total value exceeding 485 million SAR 1,165 rupees crore. The duration of the contract is 6 months, and the financial impact will be reflected in Q4 FY26 and Q1 FY27. VTM. The company has signed an MOU with the government of Tamil Nadu to invest 50 rupees crore over a span of 2 years for the manufacture of cotton grey fabric and home textile products in Madurai and Virudhunagar districts. Bulk deals Welspun Enterprises. Promoter entity Welspun Group Master Trust has bought 7.5 lakh shares equivalent to 0.54% of paid-up equity in the infrastructure developer for 38.7 rupees crore at 516.11 rupees per share. The total promoter shareholding in the company was 55.48% as of September 2025. Dredging Corporation of India. Invesco Mutual Fund, through Invesco Infrastructure Fund, has picked up 2.5 lakh shares 0.89% stake in Dredging Corporation for 23.6 rupees crore at 942.83 rupees per share. Earlier, on November 3 this year, Invesco Mutual Fund had already picked up 1.52 lakh shares 0.54% stake in Dredging Corporation. Combining both transactions, the asset management company's shareholding may now have increased to over 1% in Dredging. Indian Phosphate. BNP Paribas Financial Markets has sold 4.71 lakh shares 1.88% stake in Indian Phosphate for 3.06 rupees crore at 65 rupees per share. As of September 2025, BNP Paribas held a 2.13% stake in the company. SME listing. Neochem Biosolutions. Helloji Holidays. Stock trades ex-date for rights. Deccan Gold Mines. Stocks in FNO ban. Bandhan Bank. Keynes Technology. Samine Capital. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.